I got the strike to set up car line.
The strike heard around the world? That was literally the worst lightning ever.
That was pretty bad.
What? Uh-oh. Prepare for massive boomage. I can't wait till it gets over there. I really can't. Because it's moving like... Oh, boy. This could be bad.
Secondary picket truck.
In cloud destruction.
Lightning goes in like waves. It like gets insane and then it like calms down and then it just gets insane.
It calmed down for that one, and then it was just all of a sudden it was like car alarmage.
I was like, is this storm over? And then it was like,
car alarmage.
No, like earlier I was like, well, I guess we got our lightning footage. I don't know what happened.
My dad was trying to get lightning. He's just like, this is just too tall. This is hard.
We got some good footage.
I should have told him to take a video.
Wait till you see this video. You're gonna like creep yourself. The one was just like
straight up, boom, 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 boom. Seriously, we're gonna get some great footage over here. I'm pretty excited. And so, I'm getting some good ink footage. Oh my god! I definitely got that.
Did you seriously get that?
Yeah. That was like yellow.
It was like great, you know, thing.
Should I just stop the footage?